Thanks to Jackery for sponsoring this video.
How cool is it that we live in this age of technology? Everything from huge, beautiful TVs to state-of-the-art monitors and gaming setups to home workout equipment is awesome to have at our fingertips until the power goes out. And then it's all pretty useless. That's why I was pumped to check out Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus. Not only their most advanced product yet, but in general, a lifesaver as the most trusted home backup power solution I've ever used. Now, understandably, this thing is a beast of a generator, given that it supplies 7,200 watts of power when paired with Jackery's smart transfer switch. But let me tell you, I'm from Louisiana, and I've handled more than my share of gas generators during storm season when the power goes out. And those things are heavy, extremely loud, and not to mention a bit dangerous when not handled properly. So compared to your typical gas generator, not only is Jackery's 5000 Plus the lightest in its class, making it easy to handle, but a lot quieter and way safer for indoor use. Oh, and if you don't know what 7,200 watts of power gives you, it's enough to power washers and dryers, a refrigerator and other appliances, or a treadmill and TV. So if the power goes out, you can still get your daily run in and keep up with your favorite show while your neighbors break out the candles. Now, obviously, it's a flex to power the big things, but Jackery nailed it with the little things as well in its design. On the front of the generator, we've got a clear LCD screen that tells us its percentage and power output. There are also two USB-C and USB-A outputs, perfect for phones, mobile devices, laptops, and lots of other things. And for some of the bigger appliances we talked about earlier, there are 4 AC outputs. There's even a cigarette lighter port, just in case you're going back in time to the 90s and need to power your cell phone. On the left side of the generator, we've got your more advanced ports ready to plug in and power an RV, or a room or two, or maybe most important, your office during an outage. And on the right, ports to charge the Jackery 5000 Plus itself. Okay, so it does all this cool stuff, but you've got to keep it charged to be ready when you need it, right? Well, yes and no. While you'll want to make sure it's juiced up, which takes less than 2 hours by way of its fast charging feature, you don't really need to do too much after that. See, Jackery has this patented zero drain technology that keeps this generator ready on deck. It's rated to maintain more than 92% of its power even if it sits for a full year without charging. Still, if you do find yourself using the 5000 Plus quite often, this thing will probably outlive whatever you're using it for. The generator comes with built-in LFP battery cells, which, if you don't know, are known for being super reliable. To be more specific, Jackery says you get around 4,000 full charge cycles out of it. All that to say, this thing's gonna last you for years. If this sounds good to you, we've got a link in the description for you to learn more and purchase, but if it sounds great to you, so much that you wanna pick up 2 of them, more power to you, literally. With a second unit connected, paired with Jackery's smart transfer switch, you can power an entire home, which in dire circumstances can actually be a literal lifesaver. Personally, I can't wait to get this to a tailgate and be the life of the party, but maybe that's just me trying to relive my college days. Either way, let us know what you'd power with the Jackery 5000 Plus in the comments. And while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on tech like this. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.